Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE Premium. This four-door minivan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 151,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.